We are in an unusual housing market where supply is very low, prices and rates are going up, and home buying and selling in this market continues to be tricky. We are seeing an interesting effect on buyers from the rising interest rates. Buyers are becoming even more mindful about the condition of a home now because of higher mortgage payments. Previously, when mortgage payments were low due to low rates, buyers looked at a home and decided that they could make improvements and updates and still feel good about their investment. But now, with higher mortgage payments, buyers are paying more attention to homes that meet their needs without making costly updates. What does this mean for sellers? I've said it before, but even more so now. You need to make sure that the price matches the condition of your home. Your realtor should be discussing with you what smart updates you need to do to your home and then price it right. Are people still buying homes? Yes! Even though the interest rates have gone up, buyers have not dropped out of the market. Rather, we're seeing some buyers are willing to pay a premium for month-to-month rent than buy a house now that doesn't fit their needs. Alright, let's take a look at some of the numbers now. In March 2022, it took on average just 12 days for a single-family home to sell, a decrease of 40% compared to March 2021, when homes sold in 20 days on average. What does this mean? Inventory is low and demand is still very high. Let's talk about the median home sale prices for homes in Northern Virginia. The median home price for single-family homes in March 2022 was $940,000. That's up 10.4% from a year earlier. When you look at these price increases, it's shocking, and you're probably wondering if it's worth buying a home now. If you have decided to purchase a home this season, I would say stick with it. And I must add, buy it for long-term hold. Sure, if you look at the price movements in the last 3 years, prices went up and down. But over a longer period of time, the median home price trended upwards. So, like I said, if you buy a property as a long-term investment, you shouldn't worry about timing the market. While competitive buyers are expected to keep home prices climbing, the pace of appreciation should slow down in 2022. Most industry leaders predict that home prices are not expected to depreciate, but only to appreciate at a slower pace. So, if you're on the fence about selling, my advice is to meet with our team to review all of your options for selling in 2022. Let's take a quick look at the mortgage interest rates. In just a few weeks, we have experienced the fastest mortgage rate increase in over 40 years. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, it is starting to affect buyer expectations. The U.S. weekly average as of April 28th for a 30-year fixed mortgage was 5.1%. While no one knows exactly where rates are headed, experts do think they'll continue to rise in the months ahead. In the meantime, if you're looking to purchase a home, know that rising rates do have an impact. Here's an example of how even a quarter-point increase can have a big impact on your monthly payment. Let's talk now so that we can connect you with a trusted lender, help you modify your search criteria based on your budget, and make sure you're ready to act quickly when it's time to make an offer. Sellers, it's still a very good time to sell. If you're ready, moving sooner rather than later will allow you to capitalize on today's rising home prices and your growing equity to help you in your next move. Let's connect today.